are on our way to Capitol Reef National Park. We headed out from Bryce Canyon to Capitol Reef National Park through some gorgeous scenery and the grand staircase Escalante on the way through. Just beautiful views out all the sides of the car on the road there. We arrived and stayed at Capitol Reef Resort. Highly recommend this place. We had a double queen cabin. They had some great options there. They had motel rooms, several different styles of cabins. You could stay in teepees or in covered wagons. Pool had a great view of Capitol Reef National Park behind us, and just great views off the porch of our deck. We ate our meals at the Pioneer Kitchen, which is a nice place right on site. And while we were there, we took a llama hike. So we did the half-day llama hike with Wilderness Trail Llamas. Highly recommend this experience. We each got assigned a llama, and we hiked for about 4 hours total. But part of the way through, we stopped and had lunch along the trail. Saw a lot of volcanic rocks and some petrified sand that you'll see a picture of in a bit. And really enjoyed getting to know our llamas. Our tour guide was great. Lots of interesting information about the area, and just can't say enough about this experience. Nope, it's Huck.
Run through a Trixie too.
After our llama hike, which included lunch on the trail, we headed off to Capitol Reef National Park to explore a bit before we headed on to Moab. And this was all of our first time to Capitol Reef National Park. Saw some great things on the way in, and we went straight to the area in Fruita because we had a runner in our group that wanted to get a run in on one of the trails in that area. So we headed there first. While he ran, we walked along the Fremont River Trail and then went up to the canyon overlook. Gorgeous scenery of the river valley that made the settlers want to settle there and start their fruit orchards that still exist to this day. And just really great sweeping views of Capitol Reef in a couple different directions towards the top. The first part along the river is really easy trail. And then as soon as you get to the gate that becomes the Gorge Overlook Trail, it's a lot steeper and a lot more of a strenuous hike. So you can adjust to your level. If you're not up for a strenuous hike, you can stop at the river and then head back. But lots of trees and lots of birds hanging around by the river to look at, plus some horses in a corral on the way there. So nice little hike. If you've never checked out Capitol Reef before, I highly suggest checking it out. I actually wish we'd had a bit more time there. We were able to see a bit of the park, but not nearly as much as I wish we had. Part of that was because of the llama hike, so I wouldn't have given that up. I think we just next time would probably spend a little bit more time in the area rather than changing what we did. Definitely try the llama hike and definitely visit Capitol Reef